Hello and welcome. This is Cara and I have a new digital kit to share today. This one is a farmhouse kind of kit. Lots of farm animals and windmills, that kind of thing. So let's take a look. And my nails, I painted my nails to match. A lot of peachy colors and blue teal colors. So this page we have the windmill and then a shadow of it here and some peach mixed media and some chickens and a sunflower and the chicken hanging out in the wheelbarrow. So that's a fun journal page. There are 20 pages in this kit. There's 8 journal pages. So this is the second one with the vegetables and the butterfly. And this one's that blue teal color. Here's the third page with the chickens and some orange plants, little strawberry plants in the back, some more ledger, some paint splatters, the word summer. And the fourth page is the farmhouse, and there's some little quotes in the background. A fun in frame. Yeah, a fun little fence that goes with the farm. And then the background is this fun worn wood. Next page is another one with worn wood, but going in a different direction. And the windmill, and here are the stacked animals that you see in a lot of farmhouse decor. And the next one is a floral page. Lots of flowers that are in the colors of the kit. I just think it's so fun. And then there's this one, the stacked animals again, this time with a yellow background. And the butterflies show up again. And here we have a collage page. And they have different farm related items. Fruit, farm tools, a farmhouse. You can cut this up or use it as a journal page or as a background page. I've included it with the 8 journal pages. And then we have 5 backgrounds. There's this blue one with the chickens and the white paint splatters. And then we have it in peach. No paint splatters. And then we have some advertising, flower seeds, not advertising, but there's seed packets and some vegetables. And then we have this yellow one. And there's this pears, little collage with flowers and the sunflower. And then we have the 2 large tag pages and then small tags. So we have these 3 tags. And then we have some black and white tags. I think black and white with the colors is very farmhouse. Very, very fun. And then we have them in the smaller version. And then we have some journaling cards. I love these, pretty, well, I mean, they have decoration, but there's some room for more decoration in these. And then we have a layered tag page. So you can get this out and this out. This will go on top of this tag, and then this will go on top of the pocket. And then there's some pieces of ephemera that you can fussy cut and either use here or throughout the journal. Here's the fussy cut page with lots of ephemera, the stacked animals, butterflies, flowers, some more bits of ephemera here, some milk jug labels, and more labels there. And then lastly, we have 2 envelopes that you can decorate and add in the journal. So this is the farmhouse kit. Be on the lookout. The brand new CaraBrandonCreations design team and myself will be making projects with this throughout the month of June. I will have the design team YouTube channels linked below. And I can't wait to see what they make. And come on back and we'll be making a journal with using this kit or some projects. All right, I hope you have a wonderfully crafty day. Oh, and this is listed in my Etsy shop, and the Etsy link will also be in the description. That's important to know. All right, I hope you have a wonderfully crafty day, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.